Hello, this is John Miko. It's Monday, August 22nd, 2022. And I think you all know that tomorrow, Tuesday, August 23rd, I will not be in class. I will be doing a official visit with my son to Seton Hill University. He may play baseball for them. So any insights you have into Seton Hill, I'd appreciate those as well. But I'm recording a couple lectures here in lieu of class. But before I get started, I want to make you aware, please do not forget that Chapter 1 out of class quiz, which is 15 multiple choice questions on Chapter 1 concepts, is due Wednesday, August 24th at midnight. And it can be taken 2 times, and I'll keep the highest score. In class on Thursday, August 25th, we'll have a very similar quiz in class, but it'll be 10 multiple choice toward the end of class. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is first I'm going to go over the homework where we talked about types of data, whether it's interval, nominal, or ordinal. And then I'm going to record a video of the new material on Chapter 1 that I didn't cover yet, so that you have an understanding of what that is. So without further ado, we were talking that we need to understand types of data because the type of data we have indicates what tool we're going to be able to utilize. And we played around a little bit. We learned a frequency and a relative frequency distribution table with nominal data. We'll come back to that on Thursday, okay? But I think what I assigned you for homework is I kind of reversed the order of the homework, but I said for 2.6 and 2.7 in the in-class assignments, go through here and determine if this data is interval, which is real numbers, nominal, which is categorical with no implied ranking, or ordinal, which is categorical with an implied ranking. So if I go through here, fairly quickly, what is your age? That is always going to be interval, right? Age is a real number. I'm 52. You are 22. I'm 30 years older than you. The math works. On what floor is your condominium? Okay. This one is interesting. If you think about it, I know I won't give you anyone like this. It's kind of ambiguous. Some people might have said interval, but that is actually wrong. In this case, it's ordinal data. The floor is, I know it's a number, but that floor is just kind of a category. First floor, second floor, third floor. It could just as easily been the oak floor, the pine floor, the maple floor. The number doesn't really mean anything. If you say divide the 7th floor by the 3rd floor, you get, it just doesn't make any sense. Reason I'd say it's ordinal though is it does have a rank within the range. The 4th floor is 2 higher than the 2nd floor. The 8th floor is 9 higher than or 7 higher than the 1st floor. This one's a little bit ambiguous, but the best answer would be ordinal for this one. Do you own or rent? Okay, maybe you think it's better to own than to rent, but not everyone thinks that. That's just a category, the owned category or the rent category. So that's nominal data. How large is your condo in square feet? Okay, that's a real number, 1,800 versus 2,500. Real numbers, real math, that is interval data. Does your condo have a pool? Answer is that yes, no are typically, actually always, nominal, right? You're either in the yes category, pool owner, or no category, no pool owner. So interval so you'll have a bunch of multiple choice like this on the test. And the answer is going to be interval, ordinal, or nominal, and then someone I make up. Age already up here is interval. Gender, that's nominal. Marital status is also nominal. You can't say being single is better than married or vice versa. It's a category. Number of magazine descriptions, I have 1, you have 17, you have 16 more. That's interval. Annual income, money is always interval. Anytime it's money is always interval, right? Because I can do things with money. I can add 10%. I can half it. Rate the quality of our magazine. So these are categories: excellent category, the good category, the fair, or the poor. But we know that excellent is better than good. Good is better than fair, and fair is better than poor. So given that, it is ordinal data. Okay. So just to summarize here, we have interval. That is quantitative data. We can do all math on that. And if it's categorical, it could either be nominal if there's no implied ranking, or ordinal if there is. So that's kind of what we left off on concept-wise from chapter 1. So I wanted to record this video for that. The second video I'm going to record is going to be new material that we did not cover in chapter 1 that will be on the multiple choice test. So I'm gonna stop this video here, and I'm gonna record another one in a moment.